A four-point home inspection focuses on the essential systems that keep a home safe and functional. These critical areas include the electrical system, plumbing components, HVAC operations, and structural elements such as the roof and foundation. During this inspection, we carefully evaluate each system to identify potential issues, safety concerns, and maintenance needs that could impact the home's value and livability. Starting with the plumbing system, we inspect all visible pipes for leaks, corrosion, or improper installation, paying special attention to drainage and the water heater's condition and age. With the electrical system, we inspect the main service panel, wiring conditions, outlets, and identify any outdated components like aluminum wiring or hazardous panel brands that could pose safety risks. The HVAC system evaluation includes testing both heating and cooling functions, examining ductwork, checking for proper ventilation, and assessing the unit's age and maintenance history to ensure efficient operation. Finally, we focus on the structural components, starting with the roof, where we look for missing shingles, water damage, or deterioration that could lead to leaks. Moving over to the foundation, we search for cracks, settling issues, or water intrusion that might compromise the home's structural integrity. These four critical areas provide a comprehensive overview of the home's essential systems and help identify any major concerns that could affect the property's safety and value.